Clinicians use order sets during patient evaluations for specific conditions, when initiating treatment plans, or for routine procedures to streamline ordering medications, tests, and treatments, ensuring standardized care based on best practices. To select an order set from the doctor's panel, select the patient from the mini queue, click on the Actions button, and select Order Sets. The window to select the order set will pop up as shown. Use the search bar to find the desired order set by its description. Double-click the order set to select it. The selected order set window will pop up for you to select the orders. Select the orders you wish to implement and click the Order Selected button. This means that if you have selected RX items, the medications will be included in the patient's prescription. If you select lab, radiology, procedure, or operation, the corresponding services will be requested. This approach improves efficiency and minimizes errors in the ordering process. Confirm by selecting OK on the prompt that appears. Finally, close the window as shown.